Use documents to create standard operating procedures that can be used throughout your organization. You can enable a change approval process by adding a document approver, such as John Doe here, or Mark J, who will see the changes made to this specific document before it gets published for the company's users to view. You can also add a document to a particular resource, or apply it across an existing equipment model number so that it can be easily found under the resource detail page. In this example, this specific documentation is associated to the green CNC machine. You can also add a model number if you'd like. By default, the person that creates the document will be included as the author of the document. The language will be set to the company default language, but this can be adjusted as you see fit. Each step of a document consists of a title and description. You can upload any supporting images, videos, or files to the document step to provide users with additional context. With each media file, you can also add a custom caption if you'd like. Rearranging the steps for a particular documentation is easy. Simply click on the drag and drop button and move the steps. Since creating a document only requires a title of a step, what we recommend is outlining the steps of a document first and then coming back to upload any supporting material for each step of the document. An outline of the document can always be found on the left-hand side of the web page. As you click on each step, it will take you to that section where you can easily modify the information. Lastly, documents can contain multiple languages that automatically default to the user's preference when viewed. To create a document in another language, simply go to the document detail page, click on the language dropdown, and click on New Language.